Hey guys, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And guys, this is another crypto video about a new business on the Binance Smart Chain. It is called BNB Business. So BNB Business is a single line smart contract that lets members earn in three ways. And by single line, we mean that everyone that joins after you will fall under you, regardless of whoever registered them or brought them into the business. So BNB business works on the same concept as Tronline, but Tronline was on the Tron blockchain, and it wasn't a smart contract, and somehow somewhere funds were taken. But BNB business is on the smart contract built on the Binance Smart Chain. And in this video, I'm gonna try to explain the review about BNB business, how you earn from it, and how it finally works. So BNB business is a few days old, and so far it has got 5,133 contributors or members, and they have contributed 4,168 BNB into the smart contract, and only 1,270 BNB has been withdrawn from the smart contract. So how to register? Um, all you need to do is you copy your sponsor link and you paste it in your wallet browser. You can either use Metamask. Now in this video I'm using Metamask on PC, or you can use a Trust wallet on mobile, and your Metamask has to have enabled BNB. So this is my Metamask here, and in it I'm on the BNB Smart Chain as the network, as you can see here. So in the network I enabled BNB Smart Chain. If you don't know how to this, there are very many tutorials on YouTube showing you how to enable Binance Smart Chain on Metamask, and I also have that tutorial as well. So guys, in this video I'm going to assume that you have BNB coins on the Smart Chain network, because it is the one that enables smart contracts. So to register, all you need to do is you copy your sponsor ID, no, your sponsor link, and you paste it in the web browser, and your sponsor wallet should also appear here, and then you choose one of these packages. You can begin from 0.1 BNB up to 10 BNB, and remember, the higher the packages, the more it opens your income levels from people who registered before you and also people who registered after you in the business. So I'll show you how that works, but you need to get started from as low as 0.1 BNB. Me personally, I started with 0.4 BNB, and I'm going to upgrade soon or later today. So you click the investment, for example 0.4 BNB, it will be highlighted, and then you click on the register button. It will direct you to your wallet, where you have to confirm the transaction, and after that you will become an active user in this smart contract. So now here it shows single leg family app. Now this shows you the earnings you've got from people who registered to the business before you. Single leg down, it shows the earnings you've got from people who registered to the business after you. They came in after you, regardless of whether brought them into the business. Level income or sponsor income, these are the referral earnings, and this wallet balance shows that I am having 0.2 BNB, which I can withdraw anytime now. Your contributions appear here. This is your investment, it appears here, and your collections are the withdrawals. I've not yet made the withdrawal so far here. I think I'll make a withdrawal like tomorrow. I want this to grow. and then your sponsor ID also appears here, and remember it also appears here. So wallet balance, it shows here. This is what I'm having. Remember, there is a 5% admin fee that is taken whenever you do a withdraw. And when you withdraw, now this business, it is on a good concept. When you withdraw, 60% of your withdrawn funds, they go back into the smart contract as a reinvestment into your account to increase your investment in the smart contract. And the more investments you have in the smart contract, the more earning levels it opens for you to earn from. I'm going to show you that in the single leg family here. So now with my investment of 0.4 BNB, I'm earning from 14 people who came in before me. As you can see here, applying 14, applying up to applying 1. So this is me. As you can see, it shows you this is me. So it means all these people that have applying, they came in before me, but I'm earning from them. Guys, this is so wonderful. And then downline 1, these are the people who came in after me and I didn't register them, but I'm also earning from them because this is a single line smart contract. So this shows that you can earn from BNB business without referring any person, and you can still earn. I'm earning up to 21 people here. So if you increase your investment here, if you increase your investment, the more investment you increase here, the more it opens your earning levels. Now here it can increase like from 14 to maybe like 16, and then here it increases also the downlines. But remember, you can all earn from a total of 50 people that is in your circle. I call this a circle because I'm earning from them and they are attached to me. So whatever they do, I'm earning from them. So up to the biggest investment is 10 BNB. So the 10 BNB investments opens up to 50 people that you can earn from them, meaning that you can earn from 20 people that came in before you and earn from 30 people that came after you. So that is the single leg family. So this is the investments they make, and this is the income I'm getting from them. So as you can see, when they make new purchases, when they upgrade, I'll still earn from whatever they do in this smart contract. So that's how it works. The finalists here in levels are the referrals. You can see I've only referred one person here, and he invested 0.5 BNB, and I got 0.09 BNB, and then this person also referred this one. That's how it works. So you can earn up to 6 levels deep, but here it shows that I'm qualified. So the more levels you open up, the more qualification you earn from these other levels, level 3 up to level 6. So your referral link appears here. You can copy it and pay and send it to your friends so that they can join this awesome business. So guys, that is BNB Profit. I'm leaving my link in the description. You are free to check it out and join BNB Business with me. Tomorrow I'm shooting a new video showing how to make a withdrawal in BNB Business. So guys, if you have any question, feel free to to post it in the comment section. I'll be helpful to you guys. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video.